song to Gordon guitar. We have Sigrid here with a song called A Driver Saved My Night. Wow, lucky for you, Sigrid, and lucky for us, great song, and we will dissect it right now. Capo on the second fret, and with that we have 5 different chords. Alright, so let's go over the chords. We have first A, that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. D minor next. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. G, that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have F next, that's a bar chord. A bar here on first fret over all strings, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. And then we have one chord like this, that's an A but with a C sharp in the bass. We will use it at some point there later in the bridge part. Anyway, you have it in the same way. I will suggest that you hold a bar here on the second fret from the D string and down. So that means 4 strings from bottom up like this. And then you can just add the 4th fret actually. 4th fret on the A string. That's the C sharp note. Alright, so that's the A, C chord. And there we have all the 5 chords we need. A, D minor, G, F, and the A, C. Alright, now before we start, we will look at the strumming pattern that will work for the verse and the chorus. So, grab that A, that is the first chord. So one full string around will be down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. It's pretty long, and we're not gonna split it. We need to split it into 2 parts. But one full round sounds like this, a bit slower. Standard tempo. Alright, so the first part will be the first 2 downs. So. And then it continues with the second part, which will be up, down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up. So if we connect these 2 parts, down, down, with up, down, 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 up, it will be like this. Then a couple of rounds. Yeah, so we are ready. Let's start with the intro. The chord progression here will be A, D minor, and G. You're gonna play one full round for A. Then the D minor, you're gonna play the part 1, the down, down. And the G, you're gonna play the rest, the part 2, the up, down, 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 up. That is one chord progression you can say, and you're gonna play that for 2 rounds in the intro. And then starts the actual verse, and you're just gonna continue in the same way here. A1, D minor part 1, and G part 2. That chord progression, you're gonna play for 4 rounds. Let's go for 2 rounds. So there we have it, and that takes us to the first pre-chorus in the lyrics, tears running down my face. Alright, she need a savior, a driver perhaps. Alright, so let's look at the chords now. We have the chord progression G, D minor, F, and G, but we have a new strumming pattern. Okay, so this pattern is basically made up of 8 downs, okay? But you will have certain downs that will be more emphasized than others. So grab that G, one strumming round will be like this. Okay, that was 8 downs, but you hear a certain rhythm here. and you will emphasize the first down, the fourth down, and the seventh down. And the easiest way to get that right is to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so all the ones you will emphasize. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm emphasizing the way that I'm making a full downstroke on the ones, and the other ones I just kind of chewing here, make shorter downstrokes on the bass string. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is how you do it technically. So like I said, one string around per chord: G, D minor, F, and G. That will sound like this. And that is your first pre-chorus, and that takes us to the first chorus, and then I feel, and that's where you will start now with this chorus. And guess what? You will play in the same way as you play the verse. That means A, one full, D minor, part 1, G, part 2. You play that for 4 strumming rounds, chord progression rounds for strumming, and that's the chorus. Then we have a post-chorus part, and there you will continue playing this the same way for another 2 rounds, so nothing changes there. And now it's pretty much repetition for a while. Second verse, second pre-chorus, and second chorus played in the same way as the first round, so nothing changes there. And when it comes to the second post-chorus, you will play in the same way as the first one, but it's just twice as long. So you go for 4 rounds now instead of 2 like you did in the first post-chorus. After the second post-chorus comes a bridge part, and this is the time when we need this AC chord. Alright, so now you're just going to play 1 down per chord, and you will play this chord progression: A, D minor, and G. And then the AC chord, D minor, and G. So consider all these 6 chords as one chord progression, and it's basically very similar: A, D minor, G, and then A, C, D minor, G. All that is 1 round. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, 1 down per chord, and that is your bridge parts. And then we have a third chorus played in the same way as the previous choruses we learned, and we have a final outro part. You're gonna play 4 rounds of strumming for the famous A, D minor, G strumming, and these 4 rounds wraps it up for Sigrid. A driver saved my night. Alright, so yeah, it's actually night here in Sweden as well when I'm recording this. So perhaps guitar saved my night. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, this is all for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and play tuned.